With the world heading back to the workplace during the pandemic, the need to disinfect equipment and devices is required more than ever. To that end, in addition to their healthcare DRH products, Honeywell has produced a line of disinfectant-ready housing products for industries extending outside of healthcare, with plastic housing that is resistant to the wear and tear of disinfectants. This video will instruct you on how to clean Honeywell's healthcare and general-purpose DRH devices. First, please follow your organization's cleaning policies and the instructions provided by the disinfectant manufacturer to determine the frequency and duration of cleaning. Next, turn off the device. Ensure that the battery of the unit is properly locked into place to prevent liquid from entering into the electronics. Apply the cleaning solutions from the approved list to a sterile cloth or use wipes provided. Don't submerge the product in water or disinfectant cleaner, only wipe outer surfaces. Wipe all plastic surfaces of the Honeywell device with the moistened cloth or wipes for the time recommended by the disinfectant solution. Don't wipe or apply disinfectant chemicals to any electrical contacts or battery charge contacts or metal connectors, as these connectors may become corroded with repeated cleaning. Avoid pooling the cleaning solution on any part of the product to prevent the liquid from gaining access to the inside of the device. The display window, keyboard, triggers, and connector areas are key areas to avoid allowing liquid to enter the device. And keep a dry, sterile cloth ready to dry the device after cleaning. Use a cotton-tipped swab to clean between the keys on the keyboard and in other recessed areas of the device. The cradle contacts should be cleaned monthly with a cotton-tipped swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol to provide the ideal charger-to-battery contact. After cleaning and disinfecting the Honeywell device, the display or lens area can be cleaned with an approved glass cleaner to remove any streaking left from the previous cleaning process. Lightly moisten a lint-free cloth with the approved glass cleaners. And wipe the display or lens area of the device briefly, then quickly wipe dry to remove any streaks or spots. And it's as easy as that. Thanks for watching this video on how to clean Honeywell DRH devices.